Hello everyone and welcome. And today we'll be looking at the question, how can we use Gamma AI for presentation? And it's quite simple. The first step you need to take is create a Gamma account. So sign up using your email or Google account, and after verifying your email, you'll be taken to your Gamma workspace. The next thing you're going to do is create a new document in Gamma. In the dashboard, you can create a new Gamma document from blank, import text from other documents, or use AI to convert a prompt to a presentation. So by using create new AI option. So this is it. Now step 3 is to choose how to build your presentation using AI. You'll be presented with 3 options to choose from: paste in text, generate, import a file. Now we'll be using generate option. So when you generate with AI, this is what you will see. So this is paste in text, generate and import a file. So choose generate. So create from a one-line prompt in a few seconds. The step 4 is to describe what kind of presentation you want. Enter a prompt and ask and click generate outline when you are ready. So for example, an SEO marketing proposal, and then you click on generate outline. Step 5, use editor to edit and refine your input. So Gamma will generate a content outline. You can tweak it any way you want. Gamma prompts editor has options that let you expand your outline, specify the tone, adjust the count, card size, language, etc. Just click continue when you are finished. There it is. This is the prompt editor. Once you're through, click on continue. Step 6 is to choose a theme. Then you see a preview of your presentation in a few preset themes that Gamma features. You can now preview a specific theme by clicking on it or using shuffle. Then click generate to create the presentation drafts. Here are the themes of your design. Then you choose the one you want. We have dark, light, professional, colorful, custom, and standard. So step 7 is to edit your Gamma presentation. The final step takes you to the Gamma editor where you can use tools to edit, share, and download your presentation. Here it is, and that's it. That is how to use Gamma AI for presentations. So if you find this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.